Okay, see this. I was talking about the tiger activities which was happening inside the cage. Here it means the physical appearance of the tiger. The tiger has so many stripes. The tiger has the velvet feet, but it can only move few steps inside the cage, just like it is also happening in the life of the human beings. If the humans are inside the cage, he cannot do anything. Okay, suppose that if you are in the house, if you want to do something in the field or in the school, it's not possible because you are limited inside the cage or inside the house. Okay, see there, he should be lurking in shadow, sliding through the long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. It means this is danger so that the tiger is in the jungle, understood, or inside the forest. The first danger so the tiger is in the cage, understood. यानी जो पहली स्टेंजा है वो आपको बताती है कि जो टाइगर है वो केज के अंदर है, जू में है. सेकेंड स्टेंजा ये बता रहे हैं कि जो टाइगर है वो जंगल में, अंडरस्टूड. सी देयर करेक्टली, ही शुड बी लर्किंग इन द शैडो, sliding through the long grass. Means if you will see the tiger, it should be lurking means hiding. Here should be lurking in shadow means he should be hiding himself inside the grass, okay, or the shadow of the trees, sliding through the long grass, and it should be hiding himself into the long grasses, okay, near the water hole where plump deer passes. And the tiger hide himself where there is the water hole. He hide himself for killing the prey. Prey, you know, shikar. Okay, so the tiger, you can see the tiger hide himself near the water holes where there is long grasses, where there is the shadow, understood. It means you can see the enemy also in human's life. If he want to kill anybody, he hide himself, understood. The same things happening with the animals also, okay. So both are interlinked with each other. The humans can do any task to hide himself. The tiger can do the hunting activities when he hide himself near the water hole, understood, understood. Next, he should be snaring around houses at the jungle's edge, bearing his white fangs, his claw, terrorizing the village. It means this is danger showing the ferocious activities of the tiger, the dangerous activities of the tiger. Okay, here he should be snaring. Snaring means घूरना. Snaring means क्या होता है? घूरना, डराना, terrify करना. Here correct कि he should be snaring around houses. If the afforestation is going on, if we cut down all the trees, there will be limited place for surviving the animals, understood. जब हम ट्रीज को काट देंगे, जंगल को काट देंगे, तो उनके लिए वासस्थान बचेगा. कहीं आपको देखें दूर दराज तक, क्या आपको जंगल दिखाई देता है? नहीं दिखाई देता. तो रहेंगे कहाँ? अगर उनके लिए प्रे नहीं मिलेगा तो वो कहाँ रहेंगे? सीधे आपके विलेज के पास, गांव के पास चले आएंगे ना. सो दिस काइंड्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज यू कैन सी वेयर देयर इज द फॉरेस्ट. ओके, सी he should be snaring around houses. If the afforestation will continue, there will be no place to survive inside the jungle, so the tiger will move towards the villages. Okay, here at jungle's edge, bearing his white fangs, his claw. Here bearing his white fangs, fang means teeth, means showing their white teeth and what his claws, that is ferocious for human beings, terrorizing the villager, then terrified the human being. Means these are the two things which terrify too much to human being. What? Teeth and claw. Okay, these are the ferocious elements of the tiger. Understood? Understood. So in this stanza, the poet is trying to convey the message: if we destroy the jungle or the forest, there will be the limited place of the tiger. So there should be a zoo to keep the tigers so that they cannot hunt the animals or hunt the human beings. Understood? If they will come inside the village, they will kill the human being also. Okay? If there will be, they will know. If there will be the prey inside the jungle, they should not come to outside of the jungle. But if there is no jungle, if there is no forest, if there is no prey, they generally come towards where they can find their prey. Understood? समझ में बेटा? आगे चलो. But he is locked in a concrete cell. His strength behind bars, stalking the strength of his case, ignoring visitors. Here, the poet is trying to convey a message. Okay, if the human beings lost his power, he should be kept inside the jail. There should be no power. Suppose that you can see the many powerful men are kept inside the jail. You know very well, Mukhtar Ansari, Brajesh Singh. Have you seen? Have you known the name? Nowadays you are reading newspaper. Okay, they are in the jail. Okay, but what is the power? The power is shifted in the jail. They cannot do anything. Their property is damaged, but they cannot do. They cannot take any action. So here the point is convey how our power will be limited if we are inside the cage, or if we are inside the prison, or if you are inside the class. Understood? अगर सोचिए आप क्लास के अंदर बैठे हैं, अगर आप सोचिए आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपने में झगड़ा करें, मार करें, इट्स पॉसिबल? नॉट पॉसिबल. आप गाली दें, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. मीन्स दीज थिंग्स इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर यू इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू inside the class without the permission of your teacher. Just same, the tiger also cannot do any action or any activities inside the bar here, but he is locked in the concrete cell. Concrete cell means zoo. But nowadays afforestation continues. There is no place to survive the tigers inside the jungle. Okay, that's why the tiger's power become limited. Okay, here he locked inside the concrete cell. The tigers locked inside the yes, see that. So the tigers kept inside the zoo. Why? Because there is no habitats for the tiger. Here, locked in the concrete cell, his strength behind bar means there is no strength inside the bar. If the tiger will come out of the bar, it will show his power. It will kill the human beings, it will kill the prey. But if he is inside the cage, it cannot do any activities. Here, he is talking to the length of his cage. Only he stalks inside the cage. Means he can move inside the cage from one side to another. What he do? Ignoring the visitor, and he cannot see the visitor. Means he ignore. Who will come there? Don't know. यानी वो जो लोग आते जाते हैं उसे इग्नोर करता है. क्यों? कि उसे वो मार नहीं सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी पावर वहां पे क्या है? लिमिटेड हो चुकी है. उसकी पावर बार के अंदर है, बार के बाहर नहीं है. इसलिए वह बेचारा क्या करता है? देखकर इधर. जैसे आप हैं, अगर आप अच्छा काम करते हैं, पढ़ाई अच्छा काम करते हैं, अच्छी तरह से मेहनत से एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो एक अच्छे बच्चे को आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू शो द पर्सन हु गॉट द मैक्सिमम मार्क इन द एग्जाम. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेल, then you will also proud of yourself. Don't see the others how he is doing. See yourself how you are doing. Okay, see, he hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. Here the poet is telling the things which happening with the tigers in the zoo. Okay, he hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars. Patrolling means those who come near the zoo to see the activities of the tigers. Okay, you can see many person are wherever you have gone to see the prisoner in the jail, the guards patrolling outside of the gate. Understood? जैसे आप कहीं जू में आप गए होंगे तो जू के बाहर उसका जो गार्ड होता है वो पेट्रोलिंग करता हुआ नजर आता है ना, उसकी देख रेख करता हुआ नजर आता है, ताकि जो बैड एक्टिविटीज है जंगली जानवरों की वह लोगों के साथ न हो. अंडरस्टूड? So here he hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, means he wait the last voice which was coming from the patrolling car and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant star. And the tiger faces lot of problems inside the cage. Only he was thinking how I will come out of the cage and show my power, and itself can do the things what he think. It means only he can see the things which is going to be happen outside of the bar, and he also see the stars at night. Okay, it means he became hopeless inside the car. At last the tiger lost his strength. Understood? Suppose that if you will rear the animals at home, you will feed the same things that you eat, then the ferocious animal also be changed. Okay, how you will survive, he will also survive. Understood? So these are the things that the poet convey the message. If the afforestation continue or we destroy the forest, there should be no limited place. Then the tiger will move towards the village, and then the tiger become dangerous for human being. So it's need us to make the sanctuaries, do you know? संरक्षण गृह जिसे कहते हैं. Okay, zoo. Okay, that's why we have to keep the dangerous animals inside the sanctuaries so that it could not affect the human being. Understood? So these are the things that you have read in this chapter. We have to see some questions also from this chapter.